The masses yun yung W. W.
This one? W what?
W in the box.
Oh yeah, kuko? The sweet sir?
Ano mo ko basa?
Latin pa po. I just eat this kamas lang po.
Kamas?
Ne.
Where did it kamas?
Mamalets. Mana, there po. And then I eat bubble gum like that and you know, I just eat the Haribo. I just don't know. The blue.
The bat don't eat all because it's sweet.
I just gonna only take one. Ito, itong hiyahe.
Aka, I have one daughter.
Yeah?
I have one daughter. Daxing.
Daughter? Why?
Ito kata. I'm the just so shishi.
Very big.
How old?
That is the pencil.
Kuya Resli kata.
You know me?
Not.
Isn't that Harmony Adel? Is it a kid?
Lady na ate. It's ate.
Older than me, Amma.
Because she's maybe 17 years old na or 18.
17, right?
It's like ate bubbles.
You help? Who's your number one daughter? Number one.
My number one daughter? Who do you think?
Me. Right? Mr. Pina.
Can you give me the tomato, Giran?
Me.
Thank you. Thank you po.
Kado juga.
Cold kasi I don't like the cold foods. Sago namsik ang jowa.
Padang karon.
Why are you eating the ice cream?
Chago no bisa andu kan.
Ne.
Why are you eating the milk tea?
Ne. That's good but I don't like the...
That's good.
Shake ko 좋아하고.
But I don't like vegetables in the freeze. It tastes like jiggly freeze vegetables. Just sweets. But if it's hot, I like vegetables. I can barely eat all of them, Mom.
Fish skin, oh. Before dita she give the anjowahan ng go, she maral mo tayo. I ganun so.
Ikaw mo siya eh.
Diba? Kita you're not the one that you're not favorite.
The gray.
The bang in the fish. Si Maral mo testo kanya sa normal. But she guess another yung pinukusto. Mm,
And then tomorrow, sir, are we gonna go to the beach?
maybe.
Circus.
Mm.
Amar, did you just stand it spicy also?
Ito dyan?
Ne.
Mm.
Huh?
But not the sugar.